I know that this is a good idea. So, why the bomber have any fire?
Because let's get out of here, man. The bomb is gonna blow up from any moments.
What happened? I don't know, man. We're weak.
Greetings, carnivores. I am Mr. Fortune. Now all of you gonna join us how to be a villains. This is simple. Yeah, but what are we supposed to do? Take over the world whatever you want it? Precisely. Hit a Uteraptor pet. Listen up, you're amazing of creatures. We're never gonna destroy Skylands. Just listen to me, listen here. We gotta take over the world. If you guys are nice having you to listen, I'll glad that you guys are listening. We are the bad guys, just the freedom. I'm always be king of the villains. So prepare to the heroes of the skies. Be prepared that you never saw. It's always forever, it's kind of the terror.
How about the reporter?
Ticket of free we get. How temper of ever, the highest as ever, the nicest of words who I am. At least then you guys understand. Be prepared. Yeah, be prepared. I love prepared. Where's that? 2 birds of death. 2 birds of death? No, you fool, we're gonna kill him. And 3 birds as well. Well, great idea. Who will kill the other birds is gonna be a king. I will be a king if I take over the world. But you say, I will be king until now. If we finish to take over the world, we can do anything for any thingy. Long live the king! Here's the airship, guys. We are the best villain nation. All hail Mr. Fortune. If you guys will believe in me,
What the heck?
just say that word. Just not being an word. If we get on these stupid birdies, I got frenzy of the other sides. How much is a bud about a timber? Who dares to spanking me and my butt? So prepare to the world of century. Be prepared along of the style. The airship are moving, it's all about us now. It's just a big evil, it's just a big canyon. It's always big king now, it's always around. How think the world's who I am. I got you guys are being understand. Be prepared. Evil villains are even understand.